Welcome to our GPU Showdown, where we will be comparing two of the latest graphics cards on the market, the Sapphire RX 907 OXT Nitro Plus and the Gigabyte RTX 5060 Ti. Both cards come with 16 GB of VRAM and are designed for high-performance gaming, but they take different approaches to deliver that performance. The RX 907 OXT is built on AMD's RDNA 4 architecture, promising exceptional rasterization power, while the RTX 5060 Ti utilizes NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture, focusing on efficiency and advanced features like DLSS4. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance metrics, and overall value so you can make an informed decision on which GPU suits your gaming style best. When it comes to raw performance, the Sapphire RX 907 OXT Nitro Plus stands out with its AMD RDNA 4 architecture, designed for maximum rasterization power. This card is engineered for premium 4K gaming, boasting a high clock speed and a wide memory interface. In contrast, the Gigabyte RTX 5060 Ti, while not as powerful in raw rasterization, excels in efficiency and next-gen features like DLSS4, making it a great choice for gamers looking for high performance at a lower price point. The RX 907 OXT's higher power draw of 330W does raise concerns about energy consumption, whereas the RTX 5060 Ti offers a more balanced approach to gaming performance. Both graphics cards feature 16 GB of VRAM, which is becoming the standard for modern gaming. However, the Sapphire RX 907 OXT utilizes GDDR6 memory with a 256-bit memory bus, providing superior bandwidth for high-resolution textures. On the other hand, the Gigabyte RTX 5060 Ti employs the newer GDDR7 memory, which offers faster speeds but is limited by its narrower 128-bit bus. This difference in memory architecture could impact performance in ultra-high-resolution gaming scenarios, making the RX 907 OXT a better option for those who prioritize raw memory throughput. Power consumption is another critical factor to consider. The Sapphire RX 907 OXT has a TDP of 330 watts, which means it requires a robust power supply and adequate cooling solutions to operate effectively. This high power draw can lead to increased electricity costs over time. In contrast, the Gigabyte RTX 5060 Ti is likely to have a lower power consumption profile, making it a more efficient choice for gamers who want to balance performance with energy costs. This efficiency can also translate into quieter operation and less heat generation, which is an important consideration for compact builds. In conclusion, both the Sapphire RX 907 OXT Nitro Plus and the Gigabyte RTX 5060 Ti offer compelling features for gamers. The RX 907 OXT is ideal for those seeking top-tier performance and are willing to invest in a high-end GPU, while the RTX 5060 Ti provides excellent value and efficiency for gamers on a budget. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more GPU comparisons and tech reviews.